हेलो एवरीवन। जैसे कि अब गेट का एग्ज़ाम बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, 2-4-5 दिन में गेट का पेपर शुरू हो जाएगा। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में आई विल लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट हाउ टू हैंडल द एग्ज़ाम प्रेशर एंड व्हाट शुड वी डू इन द रिमेनिंग 5 to 10 days फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन। फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू से दैट स्टॉप रीडिंग न्यू थिंग्स। अब जितना आपने पढ़ लिया है दैट इज इनफ। और many of the students have commented out that in the last 1 year there were no offline classes and there were only online content available, so they could not study properly about for the gate examination. Friends, this is not the problem that only you are facing. Everyone has gone through the same period. Lockdown was something that cannot be avoided. It was there for everyone, not only for me or not only for the aspirants, like only for you. It was for everyone. So we have to take this in mind and consider that everyone's performance will be based on this only. And I would request you all to stop writing the test series 1 or 2 days before the examination. Suppose that on 7th we are having electronics paper, and if you have written your test series on 5th, and suppose that if you are getting satisfactory marks on 5th on the paper that you have written on the 5th, then don't write the paper on 6th or 7th. And I will suggest you not to write, even if you have scored low marks on 5th paper, then don't go for writing the paper on the 6th. Just keep your mind relaxed and give at least before 12 to 24 hours before the examination. Stop studying everything, relax, go out, have some meet with your friends, talk to your parents, and keep your mind relaxed. On the day of the examination also, you will see that many students come on the test center with some notes, some papers. I would personally suggest that don't do all these things. Keep your mind completely relaxed. Don't keep it in strained condition. It will affect your performance definitely. So the first thing that I mentioned is stop studying new things. Secondly, don't write test series 1 day before the examination. Suppose that if you are having exam on 7th, don't write test series after 5th. Okay, if suppose that you have scored low marks in 5th on test series, in a test series on 5th of February, then you can write another test series on the same day, on the 5th only. Don't go for writing the test series on 6th. And keep yourself motivated. Feel confident about whatever you have studied and how much you have studied. Like, everyone face the same situation, and keep it in mind that everyone's performance will somewhat be lower than their actual capabilities. So keep it very confident. Second, after writing the test series on the day of the examination, don't refer any notes or anything. Have a sound sleep on the day of the examination. If you are having a different routine, suppose that on electronics paper is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., then keep yourself mind trained that you should not sleep between 3 to 6, 2 to 3 days back of the examination. If you are having that routine of sleeping in the afternoon, then avoid before 2-3 days. It will definitely affect your examination performance. And try to have a good night's sleep at 1 day before the examination. And watch some movies. Don't watch some very good terrified movies or something like that. Watch comedy movies, some motivational movies. That's all. No romantic movies. Nothing should be entertained before the examination. And when you enter the examination hall, you will having around 30 to 45 minutes waiting time before the computer. That 45 time waiting before the computer to get the waiting for the test to start, it is also very frustrating or boring time. So what you have to do is just completely keep your mind self relaxed, and in that 20 to 35 to 40 minutes, try to keep some kind of meditation that you can do for 4 or 5 minutes in that particular time, and start thinking something out of box, not related to exam. When you are sitting in front of the computer and the test has not started, think something different. Like, think something about your friends, something about your college, about your don't keep yourself, I just want to say that keep yourself happy and motivated. Don't think negative about that. And when the exam starts, then what I used to do is, personally, I used to solve the aptitude section first, and after completing the aptitude section, I used to go for 1 mark question. After completing the 1 mark question, then I go for 2 marks question. And whatever time, just you should always, when you are solving the question, you should keep in mind that you should be left with at least 5 to 10 minutes after completion of your paper. At least 10 minutes you should be left with after completing your entire paper, so that you can revise the questions that you have left or if you have marked for revising later. So for this, I will suggest you that you should complete your aptitude paper around by 20 minutes, not more than that. 20-22 minutes, it should be sufficient for you to solving that, and try to keep the speed accordingly. Always keep a track on your timer, which will be displayed on the computer. And secondly, for 1 marks question, it should not take more than 45 to 50 minutes, maximum 1 hour. And you should be left with at least 1 hour 40 minutes to 1 hour 50 minutes for 2 marks questions. And you should be able to complete your 2 marks question in 1.5 hours, and you should be left with at least 10 to 20 minutes before the examination, so that you can revise at last. And even if this does not happen, don't panic in the examination. Just keep your mind relaxed. Like many of the students will be there who will be writing the test paper second time or third time. They will be having a good experience over that. And if you have written test series, then also you must have, if you are a first timer, then you must also be you must have written test series. In test series also you should have analyzed, or if you have not analyzed till now, then write at least two three papers in these 2-3 days, so that you can manage the time for the actual examination. Feel like you're writing the actual examination. Sit on table. Don't give the test on the mobile phone. Take a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, go to a cyber cafe or borrow a laptop from a friend and write the test paper on that. Test on that. And never go for seeing the marks of the who got topper. Like suppose that you are getting 65 marks and you see that the topper is getting 95 marks. Don't get demotivated by seeing all those marks of the toppers or something like that. Just see that you should be getting a good rank, and whatever rank you are getting in the test series, approximately that rank should be reflected in your actual examination also. So don't get demotivated and feel happy and keep your mind self relaxed. If you're getting demotivated, like in these 3-4 days, you will feeling very anxious. Like before 1 to 2 days before, if you're having a paper on 7th, then on 6th night or 5th night, you will be feeling anxious that you will not get. Mostly on 6th night, you won't be getting proper sleep. You are on the bed and you are unable to sleep. That things will happen, and those are normal. Don't get demotivated or frustrated by that. Like it will definitely keep your mind still. When you wake up in the morning, you will feel that, oh, I have not slept properly. It is for everyone. Those who are writing for the first time, it will happen to everyone that you will not be getting a proper sleep at night. So it is very much normal. 90% of the students or candidates, those who are writing for the first time, they will feel this. And when your examination gets over on 6th, on 7th, you will automatically feel very happy. Your all your anxiety will go away, whatever the condition of your examination will be. If your exam went very good, then also you will be getting a proper sleep. If your examination has went up to the mark that you have expected, then also you will be getting a proper sleep. That on 6th night only you will be having a bit of anxious, and you will not feel that you are getting sleep properly. So don't feel demotivated by that, and feel that it is normal, and it is very much normal. Don't feel like normal. It is, I am telling you that it is completely normal. Okay, and friends, those who have studied properly, it will happen mostly to them. And those people, those who are like properly, for students, those who are in 3rd year, they are writing the GATE examination this time. This might happen that they won't feel this kind of anxiety before the examination, but on those who are in final year, they are writing the paper for the first time, they will definitely feel some anxiety and will not be getting proper sleep before the exam. So it is completely normal. Don't feel demotivated. And if you are getting some time, have some physical activity that you can do. Like from today only, if you try, go and have a half-hour run or jogging, then it will keep your body strained, and physically you will be feeling some tired, and you will get a proper sleep. And even if it does not happen, don't feel demotivated. This is normal completely, and go for writing the examination. And last thing that I will again repeat it, that don't write test series on 6th or 7th. And the most important thing, never take any notes or question answer or some formula booklet to the examination center. This will completely put you under unnecessary frustration or something like that. So avoid it. Whatever you have studied is more than enough. Write the paper completely, and then you should plan for your future. Okay. Thank you, friends.